welcome to my video to learn how to do some colour tilting on glass. Here you can see I'm just using some cheap resin colourant that I bought from China. I'm pretty sure I got them off an app called Wish about 2 years ago. I know they're still selling them and they are very cheap to buy. So what I do, I have some pink, purple and blue. I add the colourant into the little shot glasses and then I'm going to add it to the glass. Now I decided to use some felt fabric to apply it to the glass. However, this didn't turn out to be such a good idea, as you will see in just a moment. Everything's fine, I start adding it to the glass and then I notice something is happening. As you can see, it's gone very foamy, it's got lots of bubbles in. It's obviously a chemical reaction. I didn't know that would happen, so I try for a little bit, then decide to wipe it off and start with a new idea. So I didn't have much luck with the felt fabric and I tried for about 20 minutes and decided to wipe it all off and start again with a different colour. So instead of using the felt, I am actually using my fingers, but obviously with my gloves on, because otherwise it would just absolutely stain my fingers. So I would advise, if you want to use the finger method, wear gloves. Now I'm going to use the blue colorant on this. This is a larger plate, so that's why there's a little bit more in that cup. As you can already see, the colour is starting to take into the glass. So here are the glass after 12 hours of drying, and you can definitely see it's tinted, but it's not what I really want. So I'm going to add this acrylic varnish gloss to the colourants, and then I'm going to add it onto the plates on the back sides again, and hopefully we'll get a deeper tint to our glass. As you can see, I'm going to be using the same colours as I did before: pink, purple and blue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the gloss varnish first into one of the little shot glasses. Then I'm going to add some colourant on top of that, give it a mix, and depending on how bright or how deep of a colour you want depends on how much colourant you put in. So that is totally up to you. sea glass, but the colours are much nicer, and it's not sticky, it's not tacky to touch either, so I'm really happy with the results. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you learnt how to colour glass or tint glass, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.